Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Foxlister, your go-to tool for TikTok, Facebook shops, eBay and Shopify dropshipping in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing eBay operations, Foxlister offers powerful listing and inventory management solutions to streamline your workflow and boost your sales. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage Foxlister's tools effectively to list products, manage inventory, utilize advanced features, and more. To begin, you'll need to sign up for a Foxlister account using the link in the description. This process is straightforward and ensures seamless integration between Foxlister and your store. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. The dashboard is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your store's performance at a glance. You'll see key metrics such as total products, average price, recent orders, and inventory levels. This centralized hub allows you to monitor your business's health and make data-driven decisions quickly. One of the standout features of Foxlister is its vibrant community. By joining the Foxlister community, you can connect with other eBay dropshippers, share insights, and learn from each other's experiences. The community is a valuable resource for troubleshooting, getting advice on best practices, and staying updated with the latest trends in dropshipping. Managing your product listings on eBay is crucial for a successful dropshipping business. Foxlister simplifies this process by providing an intuitive interface for adding and editing products. You can enter product details such as title, description, price, shipping options, and images. Additionally, Foxlister's SEO tools help you optimize your listings for better visibility on eBay, increasing the chances of attracting potential buyers. For those dealing with large inventories, Foxlister's bulk uploader is a game changer. This feature allows you to upload multiple products simultaneously using a CSV file. You can map the CSV columns to eBay listing fields, ensuring that your product information is accurately imported. The bulk uploader saves you time and effort, especially when managing extensive catalogs. Order management is a breeze with Foxlister. The platform consolidates all your eBay orders in one place, allowing you to process them efficiently. You can view order details, track shipments, and update customers on their order status. This streamlined approach helps you stay organized and provide excellent customer service, enhancing your store's reputation. Foxlister also offers an affiliate program, allowing you to earn commissions by referring new users to the platform. As an affiliate, you can share your unique referral link and promote Foxlister to other dropshippers. This program provides an additional revenue stream and rewards you for spreading the word about Foxlister's benefits. Creating consistent and professional listings is essential for building a strong brand identity. Foxlister's templates feature allows you to design custom listing templates that reflect your brand style and use them across your product listings. Templates save you time by ensuring that all your listings maintain a cohesive look and feel. You can customize templates with your logo, colors, and other branding elements, enhancing your store's credibility and making a positive impression on potential buyers. Tracking numbers are vital for keeping customers informed about their order's shipping status. Foxlister simplifies the process of adding tracking numbers to your eBay orders. You can enter the tracking information directly into Foxlister, which then updates the corresponding eBay order. This automation reduces manual work and ensures that customers receive timely updates on their shipments. If you run into any problems while using Foxlister, or if you have any questions about the platform, Foxlister's customer service is here to assist you. The customer service team is dedicated to providing you with the support you need to ensure a smooth and successful experience. To contact Foxlister's customer service, you'll need to fill out a support form. Here's what you need to do. Enter your name. Begin by typing your full name. This helps the support team identify who you are and address you properly in their response. Provide your email address. Enter a valid email address where you can receive replies. Make sure it's an email address you check regularly, as this is where you'll receive updates and solutions from the support team. Subject. Clearly state the subject of your inquiry. This should be a brief summary of the issue or question you have. For example, you might write, "Issue with bulk uploading," or "Question about subscription plans." Type of inquiry. Select the type of inquiry you are making. This could be a technical issue, a billing question, a feature request, or general support. Choosing the correct type helps route your request to the appropriate team member who can best assist you. Which platform you are selling your products on. Indicate the platform where you are selling your products, such as eBay, Amazon, or another marketplace. This information is crucial as it helps the support team understand the context of your issue and provide more tailored assistance. Describe your problem. In the provided text box, type out a detailed description of the problem you're facing or the question you have. Be as specific as possible. Include any error messages you have encountered, steps you have taken so far, and any other relevant information. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to diagnose and resolve your issue quickly. Once you have filled out the form with all the necessary information, submit it. The Foxlister customer service team will review your inquiry and get back to you as soon as possible. They aim to respond promptly to ensure that your operations can continue smoothly without significant interruptions. Foxlister offers a range of pricing plans, including a free plan and the flat lister plan, to cater to different needs and levels of experience in the eBay dropshipping business. Let's dive into the details of these plans to understand what they offer and how they can help you manage your listings and inventory more efficiently. The free plan is a great starting point for beginners who are new to dropshipping and want to explore Foxlister's capabilities without any financial commitment. You can sign up for the free plan using the link in the description. This plan provides access to basic features that allow you to get a feel for how Foxlister can streamline your eBay dropshipping business. While the features are limited compared to the paid plans, it's an excellent way to test the waters and understand the platform's functionalities. With the free plan, you have integration with TikTok shops, Facebook shops, Walmart USA, Shopify, USA, eBay, USA, listing from 25 plus suppliers, copy-pasting addresses and virtual assistance access. This plan is ideal for those who are just starting out and want to get a sense of how dropshipping on eBay works with the support of Foxlister's tools. Foxlister provides 25 products for free. If you need more than 25 products, then you can choose the number of products you need from the menu here. Next, the flat lister plan, starting at $12 per month, allows you to list products on Facebook Marketplace. You get a listing from 25 plus suppliers. You also get copy-pasting addresses and access to virtual assistants. Both the free plan and the flat lister plan offer valuable features to help you manage your eBay dropshipping business, but they cater to different needs and levels of experience. Choosing the right plan depends on your current business needs and goals. And that's it for this tutorial. I've included the link to Foxlister and any other relevant tools and platforms in the description below so you can check them out. Thank you for watching this detailed tutorial on Foxlister.